Let me show you what Gmail email actually looks like on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So yep, we can actually get Gmail on this watch. So if I swipe up and go in my store, so the Play Store, I can simply search for Gmail over here and you'll be able to download it. And once we actually download it, so it will get placed in your apps list. Okay. So you see, at the very end I have my Gmail over here, and then basically I can click over here to switch, for example, my inbox here and also the different labels here. Okay, and let's go to the email basically. Okay, primary, yep. So you see, you can see all your recent emails here that you have received. And to open up an email, simply click on it and you'll be able to see the content of the email. By the way, when it comes to images and links, it actually won't display them. So to actually be able to see images, you actually have to open up the email on your phone the regular way. So again, this is only text. I think it's quite limited actually. And also if, for example, you want to reply to an email, you can also do that. So swipe all the way down. You see also you have more options to delete, like start, and click reply. Then you see you can type a reply, or also you can swipe up and enable this voice input here as well. Hey sucker, what's up? Okay, so I see, yep, basically I can send an email, basically reply. So when it comes to basically composing new emails, so to a new address, there actually isn't an option for this, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. So the only way you can basically send an email is if you simply reply to an email. So again, that's completely stupid in my opinion. And also no images also I think is a bit stupid. So yeah, it is what it is. Good luck.